In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the cover creator on KDP. Navigating the world of Kindle Direct Publishing can seem daunting at first, but I promise this tutorial will make the process of creating a book cover straightforward and enjoyable. Whether you're a first-time author or just looking to self-publish your next work, KDP's cover creator is a fantastic tool that simplifies the design process without needing any fancy design skills or expensive software. Let's start by diving right into the book setup stage. Once you've uploaded your manuscript and filled in all the necessary details, you'll come across a crucial component in KDP, your book cover. The cover section is where the magic happens. This is your chance to make your book look as appealing as its content, and believe me, first impressions matter. Now click on Launch Cover Creator. This intuitive tool is integrated right into KDP's platform, which means you don't have to worry about downloading or installing anything extra. It's convenient for beginners, providing a seamless transition from manuscript to market-ready product. Just a simple click, and you'll be opening the door to a world of creativity. Once inside Cover Creator, it's time to choose a template. KDP offers a wide variety of templates to suit every genre and style. Whether you're writing fiction, nonfiction, or even a children's book, there's something for everyone. Take your time browsing through the different options. This decision is crucial because the template will set the tone for your book's overall aesthetic. After selecting your template, the fun part begins: customizing your cover. Here, you can let your creativity shine. You can adjust the colors, fonts, and even add your own images if you have specific graphics you want to incorporate. If you don't, no worries. KDP provides a library of images to choose from. It's easy to align with your book's theme and branding, ensuring your cover stands out on the digital shelves. Pay attention to details like readability and visual appeal, as these aspects can hugely affect a potential reader's first impression of your book. When you're satisfied with your masterpiece, all that's left to do is save your cover. This is a critical step because any changes you make will be lost unless saved. Make sure everything looks exactly how you envisioned it before hitting save. KDP will store your cover design along with your manuscript, letting you return to make any final tweaks if needed. And that's it. You've successfully navigated the cover creator on KDP. With your cover ready and saved, you're one step closer to seeing your book in the hands of readers everywhere. Just remember, your cover is often the first thing your audience will see, so make sure it's a true reflection of your hard work and dedication. Thanks for tuning in, and happy publishing.